Welcome back to Ribbon Candy Cooking. Today I've made a new color and I am Jocelyn and my mom Dion is behind the camera again.
Yep.
But I have made a new color.
Completely your invention.
Yes. Well, we used like 4 colors for this and I think those 4 colors were enough. Because if you look inside, I call this piece pumpkin pie.
Yep.
You see, I'm using a potato masher to mash it because that works better if you do this stuff. You should use a potato masher. But as you can see, it's pumpkin pie.
It certainly looks like pumpkin pie. How many colors did you dictate would go into this to make this color?
We used like 4.
Yep. We did use 4.
They're over there, but you can't see it.
We won't say the exact names because it's your secret recipe.
It's my secret recipe.
Right. Jay just popped up behind you. So you have 3 oranges and 1 brown. We'll say that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
If you can guess which colors we used in the comments, that we're gonna reply and like your comments and say that you got the colors right. So you could check it out, or you could just watch the video.
Good idea. So you're saying if you have ideas which colors went into your secret recipe for a pumpkin pie, put them in the comments. What a fun thing to guess.
And we might give you a shout out.
We might give you a shout out. Absolutely. All right.
Yes.
So we're going to check on some of your other stuff that's ready. Do you want to say anything to close?
This is pumpkin pie, and if you guess the right colors, we'll shout out you. And if you have an Instagram or Twitter, we'll shout that out too in the next video if you get it. But it's just pumpkin pie. That's all I have to say.
Looks just like pumpkin pie. And then you're going to be doing some casserole dyeing over the base color, right? You're going to add some colors like sprinkle over it when it's out, right?
I was thinking of selling it, but I just want to keep it. Look how beautiful it is.
It is. We'll see how it goes. It's a lot. It's a lot.
I need to mush it down a little bit.
These are like tons of selvages. So we're probably going to dye it. Jess has a vision for casserole dyeing, like spices looking stuff on top. And then we're probably going to sell it stripped in 8s or 5s, probably 8s. If she decides to sell it. Maybe she wants to hook something with it, like a nice autumn thing, or maybe you want me to hook something with it, which is also fun.
Well, I mean, the recipe isn't that hard. Plus, if we make a lot and we run out of dye, they're like not that expensive, so yeah.
True. All right.
Yeah, we can make this anytime if we have the right things.
Yep. We have our secret recipe. So you want to say bye to your viewers before it gets too long?
Bye, and even if you guess wrong in the comments, you can still use your guesses and see if you can make something similar.
Great idea.
And show it to us on your Facebook.
Yep. At the end of the day, Joss, I have to say you really nailed it. She absolutely told me which colors, looking at our swatches, she wanted to put in here and how many parts of each. So she chose 3 oranges and 1 brown. And I have to say that really looks to me like a pumpkin pie color.
Should we give them a hint on one of the colors?
Sure.
One of the colors was monarch.
Yeah, one of the colors was called Monarch Orange.
Yes. So that's a clue.
That's a big clue.
If you don't know the colors, it's okay.
Yep. But yeah, one of them was called Monarch, and then the others are crazy.
So yeah, Monarch was one of the 3 oranges, and then there's a brown.
Yep. All right, want to say bye to your viewers, little girl?
Bye. We're gonna make this and put it in a can.
All right, to be continued.
Yes.